In this video, now you will come to know about report writing, another topic in your writing section in class 12th. It's a long composition, report writing. Report writing is of two types. First, suppose there is some happening, some inauguration by some VIP, some accident, some important meetings, some functions, VIP functions, and second is for school magazine. That means you have to write the report on the annual day celebrations, post day celebration, or the visit of any VIP in your school, like this. So if you are to write the report for the newspaper, then you have to keep in mind the format. Heading is required on which you are going to write. Commonly heading is given. Then immediately after the heading, in the next line from the marginal line, you need to write the name of the reporter, newspaper, name of city from where that happening is, and the date when it happened. And when you are writing for the school magazine, you need to write the heading and then immediately under the heading name of the student and the class. Two things are required. After that, in report writing commonly hints are given, because the report newspaper reporters, they note down the points, important points of that happening, and then elaborate. So suppose there is a report on an accident, so what can you write? Where the accident happened, between vehicles, bus, car, how that happened, what time it happened, and what was the loss there, where the patients are admitted, where they are being sent, what is the condition, what is the role of the government now for the inquiry of that happening, like this. So you are supposed to give the exact data, what happened there in that accident, in that function, actual report, what has happened. In the same way, in the report writing, when you are writing for the school magazine also, that means there is no additional information given. Like you can't write when you start writing the article and all that, whatever you can make the guesses also, but not in the report writing, because the report writing is what actually happened. And 99.99% report writing is written in past tense, because whatever happens today, that is being published in the newspaper the very next day. Even in school magazine, whatever has happened today, the report will be given of that after the happening. So you have to keep in mind, stick to the word limit, stick to the information. No additional information should be added by you yourself. Reporters can't add anything on their own. You can't say that there was a collision between a bus and the car, and hardly there was any casualty, you can say any person died or they were seriously injured. You can't change the number, so many died, what happened. So what is the actual happening, you are supposed to mention that only. So this is the report writing. Two type of report writing, first for the newspaper and second for the school magazine. For both you need the heading, but when you start writing for the newspaper, that's why I have partition on the blackboard. So you need to write the name of the reporter, newspaper, and the name of the city where it happened, and the date. Obviously the date will be of the yesterday or the previous day. And when you write for the school magazine, you will write the heading, and under the heading name of the student and the class. And keep in mind the thing that no additional information is to be added on your own. You can't add anything, you can't subtract anything. Whatever is happening, whatever the data are given to you or clues are given to you, just explain those clues.